Talent Guru presents the Video CV. Bring your qualifications to life and let your personality shine. A video CV is a fun, short clip where you showcase your talents and personality, making potential employers sit up and take notice.
Step 1. Preparation. Choose a quiet location, ensure good lighting, wear professional attire, and jot down the main points you want to cover. Step 2. Recording. Keep it concise. Aim for a 1 to 2 minute video. Start with your name, profession, and a brief about your skills and experiences. Step 3. Personal touch. Share something personal. Talk about a project you love. Let your excitement show, and always wrap up by encouraging a call to action.
There you have it. A unique and compelling way to present yourself to potential employers. Ready? Send us your video CV when you are.